Good morning children. Welcome back to the science class. Children, here we completed our 8 lessons. Now today we'll start our new lesson, that is 9th lesson, air, water and weather. Children, in this lesson we shall study first point, weather and climate. Second point, factors causing change in weather. Third point, changes in temperature. Fourth point, movement of air. Fifth point, states of water. Sixth point, water pollution and purification. So, this is part 1 of this chapter 9. Let us first go through a brief introduction about this chapter. Introduction. Weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Weather and climate determine the type of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, types of food we grow and eat, etc. All the living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic condition of their natural habitat. So, let's start the video. Children, when you talk about the weather, you are actually talking about how hot or cold the air is, how dry or damp the air is, what causes all these weather changes. The sun causes all the weather changes. Weather changes from day to day, hour to hour. See here children in picture, the sun causes all the weather changes. Weather changes from day to day, hour to hour. Sometimes it is very bright and sunny, and other times it is cloudy and the sky is covered with the clouds. Hot, cold, humid, rainy, cloudy, windy, all these describe the different conditions of the atmosphere around us. This is called weather. The weather is a condition of the atmosphere around us. Children, what is the weather? I will explain you. The state of the atmosphere at any particular place or a time, described using such elements or variables as first one temperature, second one precipitation, third one humidity, fourth one cloudiness, fifth one air pressure, sixth one wind speed and direction. Okay, clear children? Next point, role of sun in weather changes. The sun and the movement of the earth play an important role in the change of weather. When the sun rises, its rays are slanting. You can see here children in picture. The sun and the movement of the earth. See here children. The sun and the movement of the earth play an important role in the change in weather. When the sun rises, its rays are slanting. So, in the morning, it is cool. At noon, the sun rays fall directly on the earth. Therefore, the noon time is the hottest part of the day. You can see here in picture. This is morning, this is noon image, evening and night. Okay. Like morning, in the evening also, the sun rays are slanting. Therefore, evenings are also cooler. During summer, the days are longer than in winter. Therefore, the sun warms the earth more in summer than in winter. Next is sun causes the wind. See here children, listen carefully. Sun causes the wind. You can see here in picture. The heat energy of the sun heats the air near the earth. The hot air spreads and becomes lighter. The light hot air rises up. At the same time, cooler air flows down to take its place. See here children, hot air rising, cool air sinking. See here children in picture. The light hot air rises up. At the same time, cooler air flows down to take its place. The cooler air flowing is called the wind. So, the sun causes the wind to blow. A gentle wind is called breeze. Very fast and strong winds are called storms. Next point, sun causes land and a sea breeze. First one, we will discuss about sea breeze. Okay. Sea breeze. During the daytime, when the sun shines, land gets heated up quicker than sea water. The air above the land also gets heated up and becomes hot. The hot air is being lighter rises upwards. The cooler air above the sea blows to take the place of the warmer air. You can see in the picture. Thus, cool breeze blows from the sea towards the land. This is called sea breeze. Next, we will discuss about land breeze. During the night, there is no sunlight. Listen here children. During the night, there is no sunlight. The land cools down quicker than the sea water. So, the water in the sea warmer than the land. The warm air above the sea rises up. The cool air rushes to take its place. Thus, cool breeze blows from the land towards the sea. This is called land breeze. Next is states of water. Water is present in 3 states. Listen here children. Water is present in 3 states. Solid, liquid and gaseous. I once again repeat the states of water. Water is present in 3 states. Solid, liquid and gaseous. It can interchange its state upon heating or cooling. For example, when I take ice cubes. Listen here children. For example, when I take one ice cube. Ice is a solid state. Is kept out at room temperature or is heated. It turns into water. Means liquid state. This process by which a solid changes into its liquid state is called melting. When ice is a solid state, is kept out at a room temperature or is heated, it turns into water, liquid state. This process by which a solid changes into its liquid state is called melting. When water is cooled at a very low temperature, it changes back into ice. This is called freezing. When water is heated, you can see here children in picture. 3 beaker is there. Ice, solid, water, liquid, steam, gases. Ice is when heated. See here children in arrow mark, red arrow mark. Ice is heated, is converted into liquid state, water. Next, Steam. Steam means gaseous state. Again, blue color arrow mark, cool. This is evaporation and this is condensation. When water is heated, it changes from its liquid state to its gaseous state. This form of water is called water vapor. The process by which a liquid changes into its gaseous state is called evaporation. Water vapor on cooling changes back into water. This is called condensation. Other forms of water such as rain, dew, fog, snow and hail are the result of evaporation and condensation that occur in the atmosphere. Okay, clear children? So students, this was all about the weather and climate, change in weather, change in temperature, sea bridge and land bridge, states of water. In my next video, we will discuss about rain, water cycle, water pollution and purification. Okay, clear children? Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day.